This is It's Raining, It's Pouring, the Greenbelt song for our Recorder Karate unit in 4th grade. If you're following along in your packet, make sure you remember that the new note we are working on is E. E is 3 fingers on the top, 2 fingers on the bottom. It should sound like this. Remember to use just a little bit of air because otherwise it will squeak up. Don't want it to sound like that. So the second thing that you want to watch are the trade-offs in between the 8th notes on the second line. Make sure that you practice those fingers trading in and out from the E to the G to the A and back. E, G, A, G, A, G, A, E. So that when it's time to play those notes, your fingers know exactly where they go. I'm going to play a fast version for you and a slower version. You can practice with either, and when you're ready, you can send me a video on Seesaw. If you're having problems with a note or some fingerings, please message me on Seesaw, or we can Zoom at some point and I can see if I can help you out that way. Please let me know what you need, my friends. I am here to help you out. So this is It's Raining, It's Pouring. The slower version sounds like this.